Welcome. Today we will learn how to find the smallest value except 0 from a set of values. 99% of people would choose the min function. The problem is that min function returns the smallest number in a set of values, including 0. This means that in our example we get a correct result for January, which does not contains 0, but for February or March, months that contain 0, the result will not be correct. Okay, let's try function small, which returns the kth smallest value in dataset. We require the first smallest value, so we write number 1 in the k argument. As we can see, the result is exactly the same. Months that contain 0 do not have the correct results again. It's true, 0 is still the first smallest number. So, we need to count how many times there is 0 in the set of values. We will do this using COUNTIFs function. The criteria range is a set of values, and the criteria is a number 0. Now we can see how many times 0 is in each month. In January none, in February 1 0, in March 2 zeros. It is true that if a set of values has no 0, we need the first smallest value. If it has 1 0, the second smallest. If 2 zeros, so the third smallest, and so on. Therefore, in the small function we put 1 plus the count of zeros in the k argument. Now our example is calculated correctly. Now that we understand the solution, we can make the whole formula in one cell. If necessary, remember to fill without formatting. And one more look at the resulting formula.